Meaning of dancing.
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 Dancing. Dancing refers to the movement of the body in a rhythmic and coordinated manner, typically in response to music. It involves a combination of physical and creative expression, often used as a form of entertainment, social interaction, exercise, or cultural tradition. Dancing can be performed individually or in groups, with various styles such as ballet, hip-hop, salsa, and more. The result of dancing can be uplifting, energizing, and emotionally satisfying, as it provides an outlet for self-expression and promotes physical and mental wellness.